My name is Priyanka Singh and today we are going to learn about MBS. So that is minimum blank size. So what is the minimum blank size? So it is nothing but the lens blank that can be used and still cut out to fit in the frame. So suppose this is a lens blank and which can be converted into a cut lens and then it could be fitted into the frame. So for fitting into the frame we need to cut lens into the proper shape and size, and for that we need to do a MBS calculation. So let us calculate the MBS calculation. So it has a formula which is ED plus total decentration plus 2 mm. So you might be know that what is the effective diameter. So effective diameter is nothing but the point from where the line passing at the farthest point of the frame. So I'll show you what is the effective diameter. So here you can see there is a point in the middle of the frame, and then from here to the farthest point will be the radius of the frame, and then we'll be doubling it will be the effective diameter. So let us measure the effective diameter with the scale. So we have a scale marker, and then we'll be marking the vertical line and horizontal line, and we'll make a point in the center of the frame in both of the frame, and then we will be measured. So here you can see I have already marked, and now I will measure the effective diameter. So it is 2.6. So effective diameter is 2.6, and then doubling it will be 5.2 centimeter. So we'll convert it into millimeter. So it is 52 millimeter. And now we'll see the total decentration. So total decentration also have a formula which is A plus DBL minus PD. So A is nothing but the lens size, B is the bridge, BDL is the bridge, and then PD is the pupillary distance. So here you can see we will measuring the lens size from here to here with the help of scale. So we'll measure that. So it is 4.8 centimeter, which could be 48 mm. And now we'll measure the DBL, which is bridge size. So bridge size is nothing but the distance between here to here, the gap between the two lenses. So it is 1.9 centimeter. So will be converted into the millimeter. So it is 19 millimeter. And now we'll go to the PD, that is pupillary distance. So PD is nothing but these 2 points of the frame. From this point of the frame to this point of the distance between these 2 points. So we'll measure the distance between these 2 points. So it is 6.7 centimeter, and will be converted into millimeter, will be 67 millimeter. And now we'll calculate the total decentration. So A will be 48 plus 19 minus PD. So PD is 67, and now it will be 0. So there will be no decentration in this particular frame. So now we have total decentration, effective power. So we can calculate the MBS, which is ED we have 52 mm plus 0 total decentration and plus 2 mm. So total it is 54 mm. So for this particular frame we required the 54 mm lens to fit it into the frame. So now I hope you all can understand what is MDS and the measurement. Thank you so much.